AI agents, the silent ones changing the world. Before Optimus could even walk, AI was already moving. They sit quietly at desks, learn your tasks, and carry them out without speaking a word. We thought Aji would be the turning point, but we missed what came before it. AI agents silent, tireless, already among us. They don't speak, they work. Auto GPT, Devin, Grok Agent, Kinesis. They don't just reply, they take action. They search the web, write reports, manage emails, fix code, move files. They operate silently in the background. They're not assistants anymore. They are agents, autonomous executors. They're not asking what to do, they're already doing it. You thought it was just a tool. You thought you were using a smart tool. But really, you were training your replacement. Every time you corrected that AI, every prompt you refined, every workflow you optimized, you were showing it how you work. And one day, someone will say, "This job? The agent can handle it." The real displacement has no noise. There will be no big announcement, no pink slips, just a meeting that no longer needs a note-taker, a report that no longer needs a human, a system that keeps running, with one less chair at the table. The future isn't robots storming in, it's agents phasing you out, silently. It's not losing the job, it's losing your place. The hardest part isn't unemployment, it's irrelevance. When you can't explain why you're still here, the agent doesn't sleep, doesn't argue, doesn't ask for credit. It just delivers, quietly, perfectly, and one day, you'll wonder if you're the backup plan. Who survives this? Those who use agents will be efficient, but those who design, direct, and delegate to them, they will lead, because the world won't be divided by who uses AI, but by who commands it. Choose your place, before the agents choose it for you. Aji hasn't arrived, but the agents have, and while you watch this video, they are learning from you. This video was made with AI named Tori. With Tori,